Hi everyone, good morning. It's November 2. It's All Souls Day. It's that time of the year again na mag-visita sa atong loved ones who have passed on already. And today's agenda is we are going to Bogo City, which is the north part of Cebu. We will visit the resting place of my mother's mother, my grandmother. I will just share some snippets of our ganaps today. Yeah, it's my birth month already. It's going to be a lovely week. It's my birthday week, birthday month. Tanan na bongga. Karon, it's going to be a great day. And yeah, let's go! Anak ko ni mo gida. Practice na kay solo man ka dito. Ana. Dakag card. Dili. I have my coffee, iced vanilla latte. Avery, have you slept? Were you sleeping? Flying kiss, Lola. Ivory?
I'm hot.
Oh,
Why are you hot?
I'm hot here.
Because?
I need cold air.
huh?
What?
So hot here.
It's so hot here.
No.
Lagi. Ay man sila.
Asa ba sa musin dyan?
Nagawad siya.
Asa yung mga grande? So cute ay niya. Hello.
Ang bukit.
Lagi. Hi. Kasi pakalin niyo sa pero wala ko.
Kapag mga mo kay ang yang itlog ka ba?
Cute oy. Dupad kayo siya ba? Cute. dahil ng usa.
Mata ako.
Ako. Pandali, oy, cause of delay kay mo. Tutsaw daw, Shem. Sige daw. Doon na pang kids, jud siya. Hoy, Marites, pagdali diha. Away mong buwan na nagsunod. Anak ko may oras pa. Anak mo bilis mo. Kuya ka na.
Galagi niyang ilong. Kapit sila sa balay. Kasi na bali na kami na din kapit bebe.
Hello. So, guess who's here with me today? My baby is here sa Cebu. Okay? We will be spending time here some birthday, which is tomorrow. It's November 6th. It's already 6:39 p.m. And yeah, we're here in Ayala karon sa Burger King. Kaya mag-eat me, and then for dinner. And then, sorry, dami here, date. So, timing kaya, pagpadaw naman sa Burger King, yatagan may coupons ka rin. Ito na naman food, which is so yummy! Chibuga na! Muna siyang order, guys. Chunky chicken fillet. 6 pieces na chicken nuggets. And the fries. May usa diri na bago pagkaon na burger na daghang cheese. Bidli ko. Hi, my love. Okay down? Love you. I love you. Nasig na siya, guys. Ang kanyang dunggan. Alright, so busog na Miss Macdo. We're on our way to katong murag na sunset na coffee shop. Pangitao na ito dire. Dako kailang croissant as in. Di ka kamalipong anyo sa kaon. Hello. So we are now here in Ice Flowers Cafe. Like, dugan na dyan siya na abridges sa Ayala, but karon ako nagka-make time na makaanihi. Kaya every time mo ani ko kay dali kami and di ko kapit. So that's it. This is the best time, and together with my love here. Sunod kay siya dire kay na siya backdrop ng sunset. Here, mo siya backdrop dire, which is so nice. Wow, sunset glow yarn. Wow. Fairness na may ilang Spanish latte. I like it. Date na dyan me in the city. After how many months? Hello! So I'm done having coffee sa Ice Flowers. So we just went outside kay napay kay storya akong love sa phone. And Dairy Queen ang among atuon. And nalapas nami, actually lang. Nalapas nami. But we just went outside para mahuman na niya ang tawag. So while waiting, let's appreciate the view. Here in Ayala Center, Cebu. Manaka? Oh. Nalapas na biyata. Gidala lang ka na usgawas kay nakay katabi.
Ayoko naman.
So we're going back na inside. Kaya ito naman sa tuyo naman na Dairy Queen. And we are here sa Dairy Queen. Tupadto siya sa Pizza Hut. So, yan ang Dairy Queen kay crave siya Dairy Queen. Nandiyo Dairy Queen sa Bohol kung anong direct ka siya. So, let's go. Basta anything with chocolate. Sab. So, okay. Thank you. Okay, so nanaan mo ang Dairy Queen ice cream. Pakitabi.
Nakagets ka sa gicho kanya be.
Muna siya ang, kagets ko. So, muna siya ang, saan siya? Saan? Chocolate, brownie, chunky, something. Pakita. Siya. And haluin mo sa cashier, na kayo nakapiso.
Hindi nga sa Bohol, but I'm not sure if pariha pa sila.
Nakapiso yung taon. I only need one. Duha nakabuk ilang na serve. Diba? Di.
Kapalik man ito nilagyan po sa...
Pero dali niya, kipos ang usaw eh. Okay, 1 point. Pagod na yun. Good morning! Guess whose birthday today? It's moi! It's my birthday! So we're here in San Narciso Parish Church in Consolacion. We're done praying, or I'm done praying for more blessings and for more protection and guidance and help on the new year of my life. So we're about to go to SM Consolacion, Sorry Kadihot, and we'll go home to prepare for my birthday today. So see ya! So we are now here in SM Consolacion, and I'm inside the department store, and there is a coffee shop which is on Coffee Bean Tea Leaf. So look, kami sa department store and ang coffee shop. Legit na ito siya sa department store located. So actually it's a very good idea karang pa ko nindito siya kay anyone na karang kapoy na kayo og shopping or mag-sorry sa department store. Bilis na makapahuway o maka-chill diri sa soon. Nagpalabanta og coffee para natay energy unya ko na celebrate ko tang birthday. Amazing jud kaayo siya. Like na-enjoy coffee sa sulod.
Para get answer.
Ay, kuan man ni. Kinupusan?
Dili ay.
Sa din?
Para sweet answer po.
Amin ang kinupusan mo. Ang chef of the day.
Kaya kami karoon ng kampo sa Almay, aron pagsaulog sa tawhan sa akong kinukuha. Anak nga si Gryffindor. Dudong dito. Paghatag kini ganyan ang dawa, isip sa kalgrasya, narika namo, among ipangaliya.
Okay? You did not sing to me yesterday. Can you sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay?
Happy birthday,
Yay! Can you kiss akin? Because you did not sing yesterday. Ano siya? I love you. Mas light yun ang langaw anin. Video. Eh, be, pakita sa buhok. Yeah.
Say hi, vlog. Sige na. Banana.
Ito nga. Okay, so we're about to light the cake. Mag-picture na ta with the sparkling candle. Let's go. Ano siya? Let's go outside. Sige, magsugod na ta. Sugod na ta. Naiba kong naabot na cake from Auntie Doris and from Auntie Lizelle. From 10 Drops. Whee!
Ite,
Biig.
Daddy, car.
Yes. Yes. So, since mamatay, lutas na ng taon, natay, atong meal nga na kayo na pancit with hipon, natay pork steak, sweet and sour na pork, lumpia Shanghai, and another batch of pork, sweet and sour, ang pancit. Cake by my baby, cake by Auntie Doris, cake by Auntie Doris. And we have Auntie here, my little baby, not so good. Hi. And thank you to our event organizer, also ang decorator today. Yan na din, panindigan kita pag-birthday ni Monique.
Can I see your date?
Thank you. Head of Marentis Catering. And sa ang cook. Money siya to ang cook today. Yeah, daddy. What is that? That's all. Kaya mo ka? Love you. What are you doing? What are you eating? Oh, how old are you? How old are you? What's your name? Your full name? Very good. Do you love apples? Whose birthday today? Okay. Nice happy kid. Hi guys, so karon we are here in Robinson's Galleria, Cebu. Ano namin tambay namin kadiyugot kayo manaman mi ato o kolon. Nakapalit mi og dakang prutas which is namin kaay nakapalit mi grapes. And then nakakaon ni kanas after how many years. Same gyapon makabusog gyapon si Karas. If ever you're here in Cebu, I suggest you try Karas in Colon. It's just adbang ro na siya sa Metro Gaisano or Novo. Barato na siya.
Kailan siya Glamaw ba?
More on walk-in siya dito kay ang parkinganan kay murag lagyo jud siya. But sulit ra gyapon inikaon niyo dito kay lamit jud siya. And ang chicken tambo kaayo. Nag-chill kami dire ron sa Robinson's Galleria and then mag-frozen yogurt ko sa ubos. Kaya na naman ang yang thirsty na yahang pangita. There. Pero gimilin niya itong atomic frozen yogurt sa Momoyo. Okay? Momoyo. Nanapoy ng kaon ng manok. sa Greenwich. Happy. Zoom. Happy ra. Ilang pizza kay gipilo. So, bago-guro niya siya sa Greenwich. Hapit na dyan ang Christmas, guys. Nice ra ang decoration. So, while nagkaon pa akong luxury of Greenwich, ako, wala lang. Kaya busog pa ko sa Caras. As in. So, nag-shumay na ako gamay sa food court. There's sa SM Nation, Japanese. And, ano to siya? Napaabot na lang ko na mahumanin sa ukaon. Hi, everyone. So, look who's here. Look, who's in my room. Come on.
Hey,
Come on, Avery.
You have to let to my shorts. That was
Come on.
That was so mean.
Hey, can you watch the camera? Here's our visitor today. Hey, look here. Look, looks here. Look who's here in my room. Who's that? Tell us your name.
Ivory.
How old are you?
4.
Why is your name Ivory?
Because that's my name.
Abot na may na Alex.
I don't
Kaya mong lawa.
Bore.
Skit kaya kong TL. Come on, Avery. Come here. You are watching the cell phone of Chicken. What's that?
See, I told you.
Can you let me see what you're playing? Let me see. What's that?
My chocolate.
Ah.
I don't know why. That's not the color of Elsa's skirt. That's wrong. Why does she not know the color of Elsa's skirt?
Yep.
What Blackpink song do you
Blackpink.
Watch this. Watch.
What Blackpink song do you know?
What?
I guess Archie.
I did this.
Wait, call me Shiki.
Yeah. What's artist?
Shiki is... I heard a name Shiki in Peppa Pig. No, there's a Shiki name in Peppa Pig now.
Can I hear it?
No. Diba, have you seen Peppa Pig? Diba there's name Shiki?
Yeah.
Is that where you get my
Can
name?
I see?
I remember Peppa Pig. Did you remember?
I remember.
Then...
Do you have so many games in there?
I
Oh,
don't have games.
and what is this one? Oh my God.
Princess Pig.
Wait,
Si Archie ang kita siya. Kasi ko ginawa.
And we are all set na for tonight's dinner. Bite me of usag kilog tunga na shrimp and tungag mais and sing and pepper and margarine.
Ano sabi?
Oh, ito pala itong kuhan, gasolinaan. Tugban ni RJ mo. Smile ka ba? Smile ka ba? Wow. Nalayo na dyan. Wow. Thank you, R. Sauce. Kalamay.
Kailan ko rin mong alam?
Ay, don't touch the minggan. Say hi. Yay. Yay. May spicy shrimp with sinubang baboy. Ay, thank you, RR, sa pagluto sa shrimp. Wagod ka gawas-gawas, daddy. Pako. look who's here again. It's Avery. You say hi. So we are eating apple. Crunchy kayong apple. Well, ako sa grapes lang. Aha. Post.